Hi, this is Mr. Jones. I'm going to be your teacher for the Computer Apps 4 class. A couple things that I want you to know. Most of you that have taken Computer Apps 1, 2, and 3 from me, this course is going to be quite a bit different. We've changed all the Computer Apps courses so that there's a Microsoft certification at the end. So let me go over the changes on how this is going to work. Right now, it will, because you haven't taken any of the certifications, I'm going to give you the opportunity to go to the list of certifications that are offered, and let me just show you what certifications you have a choice of. Now we're going to be using this other site called Jasper Active, and it's an online training that gets you prepared for the Microsoft certification. So there's all these different choices, but you need to choose one that's 2016. So for example, the Computer Apps 1 courses are going to be doing Microsoft Word Core. The Computer Apps 2 will be doing Excel Core and PowerPoint. And the Computer Apps 3 are going to be doing the Access and Outlook. Now for this Computer Apps 4 for this year, since no one has done these certifications that's already done Computer Apps 1, 2, or 3, I'm going to give you the choice in this Computer Apps 4 to pick any two of these certifications that you want to get. So if you use Word most often, I would recommend you do Word Core 2016, and if you want, you can go down and do the Word Expert, and those would be your two for this course. You'll do one certification per quarter. You will go through all the lessons. When you're done with the lessons, you'll take the Microsoft certification exam, and we'll have testing centers at all the larger schools around the district. So if you're not at Sohi, Homer, Kenai, Seward, we'll try to get you to one of those locations to get you certified. In the meantime, you're going to go into Canvas. You're going to start with a welcome to class, do the class survey, read all this information. This is the installer. If you're working from home, you can download Microsoft Office, the full version, for free. Now, one thing that's a little bit different is you have to be on a Windows computer this year. So if you're on a Dell or something similar, you shouldn't have any problems as long as you have the newest version of Office on it. Now, this other program, Jasper, you can download to your home computer as well. So I think that should cover everything that you'll need. If you go through here, this will tell you exactly how to get started with Jasper, how to register, how to install, and all the information you need. This is another link to how to get Office at home with directions. Once you're ready to start, you'll take the benchmark exam. This is like a pre-test, and it'll be timed. You'll have 15 minutes to do as much as you can in the program to see how much you already know. Most people will do very poorly on this because they haven't done any other trainings yet. Then you'll notice there's 8 lessons. You can redo the lessons until you get 100%, and then you'll submit your scores to me. There's a project called Create where it has you go in and do an actual project and make sure you know how to do the practical applications in any of the programs that you're doing. Then there's the final test, which is Validate. You need to have at least a 90% on it in order to be ready to take the certification exam. That's the exam you'll take directly from Microsoft. It's a timed 50-minute exam. All right, well, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email or call me.